EBC-Lite Boost Controller User Guide. Inside the car, plug in the EBC-Lite control box, which is usually placed near the pedals. Power connects to the power supply, red wire to ACC, black wire to ground. Display connects to the EBC-Lite display. Solenoid connects to the solenoid valve, pulled from the engine bay. Sensor connects to the sensor wire. This 3-pin connector is also pulled from the engine bay. Output depends on what you want to output, like a shift light or water injection. You can also leave it disconnected. It comes with a reserved wiring harness for you to use freely. Green is positive 12 volts, black is ground. After installation, you can hide this control box. Moving to the engine bay, the boost controller's solenoid valve is installed right here. This is the installation method for an internal wastegate. So, on the intake side of the turbo, there is a vacuum hose. There will be positive pressure here, connecting to this position on the solenoid valve, and then routing out to connect to the actuator. This allows the turbo's pressure value to be controlled through the solenoid valve. Over here is the turbo pressure sensor, which is also a vacuum hose, connecting to the intake manifold, so the engine's manifold pressure can be known. On the vacuum hoses connecting the solenoid valve and the turbo sensor, it is strongly recommended to install all vapor filters. This can increase the lifespan of the solenoid valve and sensor, preventing contamination from all vapor. Additionally, there is a different connection method on the solenoid valve for an external wastegate. Please refer to the instruction diagram for that. After powering on, the screen has 3 modes N, A, and B. N is the normal mode, meaning it doesn't intervene. A and B are the boost control intervention modes. In A and B modes, long pressing the mode button enters the settings screen, going sequentially from start, duty, gain, high boost limit, to output, completing one setting cycle. Starting with start, the intervention can be set from a minimum of 0.1 up to a maximum of 3. This must be set after installation, because the factory default value is definitely not the suitable setting for the car. Duty can be set from a minimum of 0 up to 100%. This can be gradually increased and tested to see what setting is most suitable for the car. Gain is the high-end gain value, which also needs to be adjusted slowly. H is the high boost limit. Once the set value is reached, it will force a pressure release. Output means when the set value is reached, it can output 12 volts to the overboost light. If there is water injection or other devices, they can also be connected. A setting of 0.2 is applied here, and the 12 volts shift light is connected at this position for a test. During the setup process, pressing mode skips to the next step, or it can be left to jump to the next step automatically. B mode is the same cycle as just mentioned. Start, duty, gain, high boost limit, output. The status bar at the bottom acts like a health bar. When it fills up completely, it returns to the main screen. Furthermore, in A and B modes, long pressing the up button gives a warning value. This warning value can be adjusted. It won't force a pressure release. It will only flash as a reminder. Pressing the up button in any mode shows the peak value of the current mode. It is memorized independently in N, A, and B modes, allowing for a very quick check of what the peak values are for different settings, making quick tuning convenient. While in peak mode, pressing the down button clears it, and it will automatically return to the main screen, or short pressing the up button returns to the main screen.